Hey, what's up, guys? So let's just solve this 2108 adding space into a string. So you're given 0 in the string as an integer index in the array space, and describe the index's original string, which space will be added. Each space should be inserted before a character at given index. Okay, so this problem is stupid, right? So for example, space 5 and 9, you can insert the string 5 and 9. Okay. Okay, so for example, Leetcode help me learn. You can space a 13, 15, right? So you can find the 8 is here. And you add this, and this. Okay, so basically the idea, so what is the first part, right? So what is the first part? The first part is your S goes to space 0, right? So let's define answer to be 0, length of space, right? So this is your first part, right? Your first part is this Leetcode. And you can add the list, right? So from this code up to here that we already finished this. And for the rest, we just taking, let's say 8 to 13 and 13 to 15, right? So I get two intervals. So it's for I in range n minus 1. I get space I and the space I plus 1, right? And for each interval, right? For each interval, let's say 1 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, I add that part, okay? So for example, this one, let's using this example. So 1, right? So I take the first part, it's I, and I add the list. So up to here, that your answer will be I. And then now you add code. This is code. This is in and my Python, right? So you add, okay, so finally, final part is that the final space n minus 1 to the end. Okay, so that's it. So basically just scan it and step by step. Okay, then you get the answer. Okay, so see you guys next videos. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel.